Alright. So, I feel like playing Garden Bear. Oh, yeah. Oh, so, I'm not a new game. Oh, stop! Stop! You guys leave. I think the door opened. There's one enter the door. The chair moves back over here. But that's a good clue.
Let me see what you're playing.
I think that I'm recording. There's a key card. I think we sure. Where? I never watched any videos about it. I You are slow! Slow! Hurry up! No, let's look at the exit!
Go check it out.
No, nothing.
If you're down. Oh, since you're still here,
Excuse me. Yeah, I'm putting in my drone after you. No need to have problems. No, yeah. What is the bird? What is the biggest bird? Yo, come over here. Come over here.
Now go over there.
Now, do you see the biggest bird? Do you see the biggest bird? Alright, I'll walk there with you. Oh, now you move. I don't want to see the biggest bird no more. Alright. Oh, this is weird. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Why is the bird right here? Apply a mission bird. Apply a bird is unbelievably hungry. See the 6 eggs in your pot.
What happens if you don't feed it?
Find eggs to eat up.
What's your name, Abu? Yo, this bird is creepy, and I hate it. I want you to kill him.
I need to kill the bird. I need to kill the biggest bird in the mall.
This is a moth.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
The bird will attack me if you don't.
Man, what the bird gonna do? I'm gonna beat the bird up.
What happens if that green dude comes out?
The green dude. Who's the green dude?
The one with the smiling face and he's green.
The one on the wall?
The green, that big,
The green, that big.
yeah, from the lobby.
Fine. I'm not the tallest person person in the world, but if I know something, you have to go to
Go,
the
jump
tallest
on the
point.
roof. Jump on the other roof.
You gotta go to the tallest point to figure out what it is. I don't know. Let me see. But y'all run from this part. Y'all run from this part.
But I saw.
Where?
Come on,
Oh, yeah. Why can't I pick it up? I want to know. All of it. Not all of it. The small all
Are
of
you
it.
not paying attention and we Google and we put up computers in here and keep going?
Cause I'm not doing it still. He's not doing it still. I'm still recording. Oh, there's a button. There's a button. Behind. I can't see it out. Button. What does it do? What does it do? Oh. Oh, there's a button right there. What's the button?
Do not.
Call the bird. Well, where's the door?
Wait, call the bird.
Oh, come over here, Bob boy. I know. You're being a bad boy. Oh, God. No. Come over here. Oh, is there an egg in here? No. What? No. No. Come over here. You see the thing up here? Click it. Oh, he's sleeping. Alright. Let's try again. Click it. There we go. Where's the egg at? Oh, there you are.
I just flag in the sky.
Alright. Oh my God.
So that's why you're looking at the. He wanted you to see him.
Out your mouth. Ew. Why? Whoever that is.
What's in here?
Then I think this is like a timeout coin. Can you go? Hurry up! Oh.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Oh.
Wait, what's in here?
Oh, this is gonna take a lot of process. I'm gonna knock everything over. I'm gonna be a naughty boy. I'm gonna be naughty. Alright. Come on, little John. Come on. I got you, bud. Where is that? So, this is one of the stupidest weapons on my other. Oh, you're slow. Dang, it took you so long.
Now come right here. You dumb dumb.
My drone is not dumb.
Well, he's
You
not.
just don't under. Is that my heartbeat or something? 'Cause I definitely know that's not my heartbeat in real life. That's my heartbeat when I'm playing Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Is there any way of turning back? Yeah. Let me go out these doors real quick. Oh, why are the doors locked? Oh my God. We can go through those. We can break the wall.
Wait, you know that green dude that you just saw?
Yeah, that was the one.
That green dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What
You cannot fail this, bro. You failed this huge part. Oh, you just broke it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Like, just break through the wall. You can break through the sound. Ah, I do not know what's wrong with it. Oh, wait, this is okay. Never That's up one. Wait, how do you get out? Press that. Oh. Join,
No.
no, you're coming with me. No, I'm with you. So, I know it's bullets right here. So, this was,
But don't
I
that
have a feeling. I'm not gonna call my friend.
I have a feeling too.
I have the best feeling that this drone will be all the way over here, and I will be. Can I see a button over there? And the bird's right there, the biggest bird.
What the big bird do? The green thing will do something to you though. They told to jump scare you when you get in there.
Oh, bro. Okay. That's a light one.
Yo.
If my character could go here, this bird could be light one. Depends. Is this thing a robot? Depending on it, you eat eggs, you definitely are. You the ugliest bird. This is all people here. That was a lot of balls.
You better scoot away because that green bee.
Yeah. The biggest bird of them all. What are you doing? Oh, you dumb! Oh, you why are you all the way over there? I'm calling on you. You dumb dumb.
Look at him now.
Where's Mo go? I'm over here.
Pull it better.
Ah, the wall!
Not the wall. Right there.
The only reason why this is taking so long is you can go to the ball pit. But I can't go to it. You can go to it. But you don't want to go to the glass window. There you go.
I don't know people do it. Someone to do this.
Uh, don't the green balls up. What was my color?
Is the green bird there? Is it light on?
Please don't tell me that was with the bird. That baby started before.
Yep, I go about that.
Why is your footprint? Oh.
No, that has to be one.
Oh, that's fine. White,
What's that?
pink, blue. What was this? That was pink. Yeah. Uh, Alright, so I got white, green, pink, blue, and yellow. This one's red. Got that, got that. Green, got that. This will be the end. They just don't tell me this. What's the food?
You burn it over there.
Yo, dog. There's no way I have to go on this thing, bro. That was I have to go. They know that they're doing this. I don't know. I don't even know.
Are you fine?
I know, girl. They don't. Oh, well. Oh, well. How do I see? What?
The chicken just climbed up here.
Where is it? Where is it?
You dog. Come here, Joey. You don't see the bad boy.
Correct! Bro, I was asking, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Well, this is here, Aiden. What can a chair do? Well, sit down, bruh. Why did you say let me off? Let me off.
Ooh, do I see the sun? No, nothing.
Is this me? Because I see two footprints. One over here and one over there.
Oh, well, I'm tripping it. That's right, that means I got one of them colors.
He's not orange.
Cause he's red. I know for sure about that. I know he's orange. I tell you. He's orange. This guy's red.
Little red.
Oh, oh, the door open. Why pick up the what? Hold up. I dare you to. I will punch you. Yeah. I will fall up. My name is nobody, Minnie. Press E to be reincarnated. Our stars good. Life goes on. Let's go! Where's my job? back! Did I get the car key?
Let's use the hideout.
Oh my god!
He just flag up.
No, he's not.
Okay, if I see anything,
Yeah,
if
boy,
I
the
hear-
daughter!
if I see anything, if I hear anything, it's gonna be behind your back if anything's coming. I will be behind your back. If anything
Please give me a drone 2.0.
that was all the bird.
Wait, but what's some chicken footprints in there?
Yeah. But there was a bird right behind.
Yeah, I'm not scared. Cause it was white, wasn't no reaction girl. I just had to walk in. Well, I never about my drone. I was oh man, I wish they gave me a drone 2.0. Did I just press SW? Oh my god. This is a hard technical difficulty that I have with this. Oh my god, you have to go on this side. Hey, you just went over here! I get it. You need signal to understand myself. So when he does that, that means like, well, I don't want to listen to you. Oh well. Last Oklahoma versus last time he best yeah. You didn't smile when you died, bro. That's sad. I'm really that sad. But, get what you get. You never try to kill me, little bro. Otherwise, you'd still be alive. You might want to look up so nothing can get you. Your screen's glitching when you move your screen. Something's wrong with this game. It's glitching your screen. Let's I wish I could cut the video. You guys do so that's why the bird was looking at you. He didn't want to eat the egg. He wanted to eat the egg and you. I guess so.
Wait, don't everybody want to eat you inside?
No, no, no.
Guys, don't. Okay, that was very
Oh no, why I'm struggling. No, stop! Do it in the living room, bro. I'm recording. I'm sorry. My phone is trying to disconnect. I'm not recording Guardian of Bang Bang in 2020. Elbow, bro. I would never do that to a real kid. No. What? Bird? What's that? Are y'all bringing me to my desk? Please don't tell me that. Oh, it's a burning box? No, I'm not on it.
better close that door, dude.
Oh my god. Oh, I need to open the burger. Yeah, at least I'm not doing what oh. Ah, green, wait. Is that the end of garden down there? Oh my god. Oh, I died. Oh, that game is fire, bro. That game is huge good, bro. I love that game. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, one of the videos that I like. Yeah. First good video in a long time. So, see you guys later. Goodbye. And, whatever night time it is. Bye.